Okay, this is a short video on a new filament to me, sold by a company called VOXEL in California. Apparently they're a 3D print farm, and they have this filament made in China for them, and they're reselling it, and they claim it's good filament, as you'll see on their stuff. Anyway, the price was definitely good, because if you've looked on Amazon or any place recently, it's pretty tough to find 1 kilogram rolls, 2.2 pounds of filament for about $16.99, and that's what they charge per roll. And if you buy, in this case, when I bought 2 or more rolls, it was free shipping, so that was a really good price. So I went ahead and bought 3 rolls. I bought a roll of black, a roll of this fire engine red, and a roll of their green. Ordered it on the 3rd of September, and I got it on the 9th, so it took 6 days to arrive with the free shipping. And basically there's some more of their info sheet that comes with it, and the only thing that the 2 things you can notice, since the red and the gray are still in the package, the black is on my Prusa printer. The wrap isn't super smooth. It's a little bit all over the place, but not bad. The wrap on the black was a lot more consistent, and maybe on the gray it'll show up. You kind of see it's not your best wrap, but then again, it's $16.99, which these days is a heck of a good price. And those rolls come in a cardboard box. Let's move the camera back some more. Still can't get it all in frame. Too close, back up. There we go. Come in a box. Got a scan code in case that sort of thing interests you. Of course, their website. But the main thing is that the print temperatures on this, they're listing as 190 to 215, which are fairly standard print temperatures on PLAs that you buy these days. This is the PLA Pro. There was just a little bit of stringing. I'm going to put this part that I just printed in the black. Let's see, let's turn the light on. There we go, maybe that'll help. There, you see the spider webs? A little bit of stringing, which I don't get when I'm using better filaments, top quality. Well, I'm not going to say they're better. Let's just say ones that I pay more money for on Amazon. But at $16.99, I think I can afford to live with just that little bit of stringing. I also did a few other parts other than this foot part. Actually, I've done 4 parts, and they all had a little bit of stringing. The others were on this project that I've done some videos on. This is one of the new feet. This is one that I'm going to replace because it's painted. I don't like the painted as much. But I also did the dials, and the dial had, again, the same little bit of stringing on, and the part behind the dial, the numbers, they all had a little bit of the spider webbing stringing, which I had to clean away. Again, very easy to clean away. It's just that I know it's not due to my printer, and it's not due to retraction, and it's not due to the Teflon tube and the heat break and all that kind of stuff. If anything, maybe it'd have to do with this filament prints at a lower temperature better, perhaps. Because, the Prusa will lay down the first layer at 215, and then the rest of the layers at about 210. So it could be that this particular filament prints better at something lower, like 205 or even 200. Don't know. But I don't consider it a major problem, and I consider it something we can live with for the price. So it's just a heads up. If you want to try some inexpensive filament with free shipping, if you are living in the United States, then why not give it a try? They have a limited number of colors. I can't remember now off the top of my head. There's like 5 or 6 different colors. I ordered the 3, the black, the red, and the gray. But of course they have white and some other ones. But check it out. VOXEL, the most reliable filament on earth. Well, I don't know about that. I've only printed with the black so far. I will do some more tests, obviously, with the other colors. But I wanted to give you guys a heads up on this in case you're looking for some filament. You don't want to spend a whole lot of money.